and welcome back to this channel. My name is Ruth, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make your own onion juice recipe for your hair if you're experiencing hair loss, and also it's really good for the general health of the hair. I've personally been someone who's really testified to onion juice at different stages of my hair journey. In my earlier stage, it was used in terms of helping me with hair loss, in regards to other things as well, but also I've seen generally, as I put a picture, I have literally seen how my hair is gone thicker, because I honestly feel like my hair is at a stage now where it's just getting thicker. I'm not sure about the length now, but I am really grateful for just seeing the power of onion juice. But as I said in my last video, it's all about consistency, because there's been times when I've used onion juice here and there, but I really wanted to see the power of consistency. And over the last, I would say 7 months now, even though I think it was 6 months when I put those videos, I have been using onion juice quite consistently. So when I first started, I was doing it like 4 times in a month. So every week I would wash my hair, do the onion juice condition, but now I'm doing it less so often, so around twice a month. So that is how I've been using it. I can honestly say that my hair has definitely gone thicker, and also in my previous time when I was in my early 20s as well, I think I started to use onion that time, but I would say the method I'm using now is probably one of the most easiest ways to use onion juice instead of grating it and then squeezing it and all of that. So I prefer this method. Actually, I just thought to go around and do a spin. So in my hair right now, it is kind of in a shrunken afro, and you can honestly see the thickness has definitely came, and I really would testify that it's the onion juice and other things, but in today the main focus is the onion juice. So I'm just so happy about this as you can see, I am quite happy of the thickness. So just gonna do a little spin just to really show you that onion juice really does help with the health of the hair, also with scalp, the scalp of the hair, because I literally washed my hair not so long ago, but my hair is kind of dry now, and this is how it looks. But onion juice really helps with the scalp. It makes the hair just feel lovely, and yeah, so this is what my hair looks like now. Does the afro move? So to start this recipe, I use 1 onion, cayenne pepper, ginger powder. I also need a pot to basically put everything in, and some water. So starting first, I just turn on the hob, and then I cut my onions into chops, and then I add water and just bring it all to a boil. So this is what happens when it starts to boil. I then add the ginger powder, and then I also add the cayenne pepper, but also make sure you test it on yourself before using it on your skin, because for some people they may have sensitivity to cayenne pepper, and cayenne pepper does give that tingling sensation on the scalp, and it can be quite overwhelming for some people. So make sure you test it out and see if it's all good, and when it's good, use it on your hair. So here we see me pouring the onion juice in an empty container, and that is when it is all cooled down. So I make sure I leave the onion juice to cool, and when it's cooled down, I put in the container ready for my wash day. So in these pictures you can see that I was suffering from hair loss on 2 sides of my head, and I just see the power of natural remedies. So now this is actually last week when my hair was in twists. I took it out, and I'm just showing you that my hair has fully grown back after some years. So I'm really grateful for this, and my hair is definitely thicker. So yeah. So yes, I'm just literally about to wash my hair. And when I wash my hair, I wash my hair first and then I put the onion juice on my hair and then I put conditioner. So yes. So this is it. My hair actually feels really soft. My scalp is clean. And yeah, this is shrinkage, everyone. So yeah, when my hair is freshly washed, that's when I apply the onion juice. So I apply the onion juice on my hair and then I put the conditioner on so I don't rinse out the onion juice. So yes, this is my lovely routine. This is the onion juice. I use it on the areas which are more problematic. And then put on this. I can really feel the cayenne pepper working. Wow, that's why I love this, my conditioner. So the onion juice is still in my hair, and what I do is I tend to just add a conditioner in my hair and then deep condition it after. The days when I didn't have a deep conditioner, I would just still put the what's it called, plastic cap on my head. So this is mostly on my hair. I don't rub it into my scalp or anything. And because I feel like my hair is fine in terms of strands, I don't have to section it as much as people with thicker hair may have to. So yeah, I just put quite a lot in. I thought the conditioner helps smooth the sensation from the cayenne pepper, but yeah, even in this conditioner I have quite a lot of Ayurvedic powders, aloe vera gel. I really love the smell of it. It smells really nice. Because my hair as well is low porosity, having the hot cap does work. You'll see after this. So I make sure it's all worked in. And that's the conditioner dropping. But because it's amazing how this is all shrunken up now. I actually love the shrunken look. But yeah, I'm going to do this the other. So there we have it, the onion juice, the conditioner, and now just to allow it to all stimulate, just going to put this on my hair. I just love the cayenne pepper, just gives it that lovely tingle on the scalp, but you have to remember not to put too much. Only put what your scalp can handle. And if it's your first time, only put literally like a dash, because it can be quite, it might be too much, especially on the first time. Then I'm going to blow dry this probably for about 20 minutes, and then wash everything out and then style my hair as usual. So yes, this is my onion juice routine. I don't do it every wash day, but I would say I do it between 2 to 4 times a month. If I'm like really in the habit of washing weekly, then I will do it weekly, but sometimes I don't. So I either do it between 2 to 4 times, mostly twice a month, because it's just much easier. But I just love it. I can already feel it working even without the hooded dryer. If you don't have one, usually if I'm just doing things around the house, I may just leave it on my hair like this. But yes, the blow drying look is also nice because it gives it that heat, especially if you're low porosity. This is the way for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you've tried onion before, comment below in ways you've tried onion, whether if you've used an onion oil, something like this, or something different. Let's share with one another so we can give each other tips. And I would also say that I believe onion has been a great contributor in, helping me, deal with these tackle areas, but also other things like living stress-free, changing my diet, exercise. All of these are very essential to have healthy hair growth, because everything starts from within and then it manifests outside. So yes, this is something worth seeing, where we help others help themselves. And on this channel, we talk about health, psychology, education, and finances, and everything in between. And also subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you later. Bye.